Okay, on your bike, start your engine, open the gates for you.
Okay, great.
Shut the gates, put your bike in neutral.
Okay, great.
Okay, you hear me okay?
Yep,
So
perfect.
when you're in the motorcycle area, ride as if you're on a public road.
Okay.
Which should include any necessary safety checks and avoid contact with the marker cones.
Good.
Right, we've got two bays here formed between cones. You're in the left hand bay. So number one bay you're in, number two bay is there.
Okay.
Turn your machine around, use as much space as necessary and ride forward into one of the bays, any bay you want. Turn your engine off, put your bike on the stand. So big turnaround, ride forward into a bay.
Okay, fantastic.
Engine off on the stand. Thank you. Okay, manual handling. Take your machine off the stand. Wheel it backwards out of this bay. Wheel it backwards into the bay on the left. Put your machine back on the stand.
Facing out. Okay, look.
So how come you're doing bikes? What do you want to do bikes for?
Petrol saving, really. My God, it's expensive.
Yeah, but insurance ain't expensive, is it?
Oh.
Right, and slow control and steering exercise. At the moment you're in this bay, I'd like you to ride between the yellow marker cones as the yellow line shows.
Okay.
Begin by riding between the first and second.
Okay, good.
When you reach the two blues, ride in a figure 8 for 2 complete circuits.
Okay, great.
Don't worry if you lose count. I'll pull you up close where I'm standing when you completed the exercise. So just keep doing your figure 8s until I say stop.
Wonderful.
Right?
Okay.
Right on when you're ready. device. Bear with me a second.
Okay, great.
Slow ride exercise. I'd like you to demonstrate your ability to ride out in slow moving traffic. I want to ask you, move off, ride slowly in a straight line, pulling up near the box formed by the 4 blue cones ready for the U-turn. You may pull into the box if you wish to.
Okay.
Slow ride over to the blue box.
Good, lovely. But I can stop just before the box, yep.
U-turn. Ride your machine in a U-turn within the white lines, pulling up on the opposite side. Remember to regard this as a public highway.
Okay.
Cornering and the control stopping exercise. At the moment we're in this area.
Yep.
I'd like you to ride a left circuit as the red line shows.
Yep.
Enter and leave the bend between the red and blue cones.
Okay.
Right down the corner. Now try and achieve a speed of approximately 30 to 50 kilometers per hour, 20 to 30 miles per hour as you go through a speed measuring device. Your speed is not recorded in this exercise. Once you pass the speed measuring device, brake to a normal stop, pulling up under full control your front wheel in the area formed by the 4 blue cones.
Okay.
So the left circuit around the bend, right between the reds. You must stop, front wheel must be in that box when you stop.
Okay.
It's not a high speed exercise, so speed's not recorded.
Okay.
But you must stop, front wheel in that box.
Good.
Okay. The opposite way, any way you want.
Okay.
Big turn around.
How fast was I doing? Just
47.
47. It's a little bit slow if I was going to do it for real, yeah? Okay, great.
Cornering and emergency stop. Ride a left circuit again as the red line shows. Enter and leave the bend between the red and blue cones. As you go around the bend, try and attain a minimum speed of 30 kilometers per hour, 19 miles per hour. When you reach the speed measuring device, you're required to be traveling at a minimum speed of 50 kilometers per hour, 32 miles per hour. I'll then give a signal to stop, as in an emergency. Signal will be like this. Want to do that? Stop your machine as quickly and as safely as possible wherever you are.
Okay.
So left circuit again, round the bend, right between the reds.
Good.
I'll be standing over here.
Okay.
Right a left circuit again, as the green line shows, enter and leave the bend between the red and blue cones. As you go around the bend, trying to attain a minimum speed of 30 km/h, 19 miles per hour. When you reach the speed measure device, you're required to be travelling a minimum speed of 50 km/h, 32 miles per hour. Before steering a course between the two blue marker cones, coming to a controlled stop between the two blue cones. Okay, let's go through it. So left circuit around the bend, between the measuring device, the yellow cones,
Yep.
you're avoiding in between the blues, and you must stop in between the blue.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Great.
Make your way over the bay on the right there, we come in up. I'll join you in a second, okay?
Okay, great.
Right forward into any bay.